Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So we have a very small question before us, but it could be very confusing for most of us. Okay, so this is the declaration and let's see how we can solve this. Okay, to some it may be very easy, but to some it may seem a little complicated. So let me just show you how do we reach to its answer. So given that x to the power minus 2 is equal to 64, okay, and we have to use the value of x, okay, to find out the sum of these two. All right, so how do we go? Let's do it. So solution is over here. We know that, okay, as we know that x to the power minus 2 is equal to 64. Now minus 2 means, can we not write like this? Okay, to get a positive exponent for this side. Here we have 8 to the power 2 for 64, correct? Which means directly if we have to compare the exponent, we know that 1 by x is equal to 8. Simple. Now when we transpose this to the other side, 8 definitely will come down this side. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 8. Done? So having found the value of x, it becomes all the more easy for us, okay, to reach there. How do we go then? Okay, so can we not write, therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 3, correct? Or if we were to write x equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 3, isn't it? How? Okay, let me show you. Well, this can be written as 1 upon 2 to the power 3, and this 1 never changes its value, okay, regardless of whatever powers it holds, okay, in the positive one. So we have 1 upon 2 having a power of 3. So which is what I have written here. Now when this power goes to the other side, what do we get? X to the power, okay, cube root of x, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now another way of writing this is x to the power 1 by 3. I'm sure you know that. Now having found the value of this, next will be our x to the power 0. So let's use this as equation 1. We know that what? That any variable holding a power of 0 is equal to 1. That x to the power 0 will be 1. So 1 by 8 to the power 0 will also fetch me 1. Alright. Now let's collectively write the value of this. This will be thus equation 2. Alright. Now, okay, x to the power 1 by 3 plus x to the power 0 therefore should end up as, okay, this is equal to half, and well, this is equal to 1, which means that 1.5, which is equal to 3 by 2. All right. So this is our final answer, and this is how you do it. All right, guys. So I hope you people have understood. It doesn't need any further reinforcement. So we first make sure that we get the value of x. Since there is a negative over here, so we try to write the reciprocal of x as 1 by x and thus make our power positive. And since we have the same power this side, we can always compare the bases, and thus we get 1 upon x equals to 8. And when we transpose it, we get x equals to 1 by 8. Having got this, we know that, okay, x has this value which we convert this, okay, as 2 to the power 3. Okay, correct? Collectively, we write then 1 upon 2 to the power 3. When this 3 comes this side, it cube roots x. And so we get, okay, x to the power 1 by 3 equals to half. And further ahead, we have x to the power 0, which means if we write this directly, we still get 1. And if we were to substitute x with its value 1 by 8, we still get 1. Okay, so when we add these two, we get for this half and for this 1, and half and 1 is equal to 1.5, as you know, which is equal to 3 by 2. So this is the answer. So I hope it is clear. Okay, in case there is still any doubt, do ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much, guys. So all the best for your exams. Bye bye. Have a great day.